The Saint Lucia Tourism Authority, SLTA, has released its latest stay-over results and the numbers are up. Public Relations Manager Geraint Georges spoke to the latest figures from the agency on Wednesday,
revealing March 2022 as the highest arrivals month since the restart of the industry amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Stayover visitors for March 2022 were recorded at 32,110, and that reflects upwards 21% of the forecasted figure, with a total of 80,811 arrivals year to date for the period January to March, marking a strong start for the year. And this echoes the latest report from the UNWTO, which confirmed the Caribbean region as leading the world in the recovery of stayover arrivals. The region's recovery rate sits at 61.5%, comparing 2022 to 2019, and this is almost double the total global rate of 32.9%. St. Lucia is highlighted as one of the best performing destinations for 2022 thus far, and is the only country in the Eastern Caribbean named in the top 5.
The U.S. market, unsurprisingly, continues to lead the way as the authorities fortifies marketing and promotional efforts.
The U.S. accounts for 56.2% of total stayover arrivals year to date in St. Lucia, and that is approximately 45,400 visitors. The UK is the island's second largest market, with 30.3% of stayover arrivals at almost 24,500, and that is the highest share recorded for the UK market even pre-pandemic. The Canadian market continues to show steady growth when compared to the same period for 2020 and 2021, and the first quarter of 2022 reflects 6% of total visitor arrivals to the destination following the COVID-19 pandemic. Marketing, public relations, and sales efforts across Canada will continue to drive demand for the destination as Canadian airlines have extended their flight schedules into the summer. And with the ease of travel restrictions in Canada, several in-person events have been scheduled, including participating in the Outdoor Adventure Show in late April, followed by the North American Roadshow in June.
According to Georges, visitors from the Caribbean and the rest of the world account for 7% of overall arrivals.
To keep the momentum going, we at the SLTA will be running a targeted marketing campaign for the summer months. The revitalization of St. Lucia Carnival is one of the priority events this year, and this we will continue to promote along with our strong niche offerings such as romance, diving, accommodations, adventure, and much more. The authority will continue to engage in productive relationships with trade partners alongside careful management of COVID protocols and, of course, consistent collaboration between the private and public tourism sectors will continue to bear fruit for this industry. The numbers are very encouraging, and it is definitely a reflection of all of the tireless collaborations within the industry. And our aim is to ensure that we continue along a steady growth trajectory, one that is sustainable and one that would continue to benefit our people through employment, income generation, as well as providing the best experience for our visitors.
St. Lucia has recently eased its entry requirements. Fully vaccinated visitors and returning nationals no longer need any pre-entry COVID-19 testing, while the online registration process has been removed for all. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.